Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sarada Devi Maths Classes. In number 15, in the following figure, angle A is equal to angle C and AB that is equal to BC. We had to prove that triangle ABD that is congruent to triangle CBE. So I have taken these two triangles ABD and CBE from this figure separately. So this is the figure. We can write that first point in triangle ABD and triangle CBE. We are given AB is equal to BC. That is, this AB is equal to BC. Now angle A is equal to angle C. That also given in the question. So angle A that is equal to angle C. So we got two parts. One more part we want. Now what about this angle B which is common to both the triangles? So we can write that point as angle A is equal to angle C, that is given. Fourth point, angle B is equal to angle B. What is the reason? Common angle. So here this angle B overlaps angle B in this triangle. Then AB overlaps BC and angle A to C and angle D to E. We can mark angle B here like this. So we got two angles equal in these two triangles. This and this, this and this, and one side is equal in these two triangles. Therefore, two corresponding angles of these two triangles are equal and two sides of these two triangles are equal. So we can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBE by what is angle side, AAS test. So we can write fifth point as therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBE by AAS test. So we have proved. 16th question. AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. If AD and BC are on different sides of AB, prove that CD bisects AB. CD bisects AB means what we have to prove? We have to prove that AO is equal to BO. That is, AO is this, BO is this. This we have to prove. Here this AD and BC are perpendiculars means these are 90 degrees. In triangle AOD, this triangle, and BOC, this triangle, these two triangles we can take. So first point, in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. Second point we can write AD which is equal to BC, that is given in the question. So AD is equal to BC. Reason is given. Then third point, what is angle OAD and angle OBC? These are perpendicular. So these are 90 degrees. So we can write angle OAD is equal to angle OBC is equal to what? 90 degree. That is given. Now fourth point, angle AOD and angle COB. These two are straight lines and they intersect at the point O. So these two are what? These two are vertically opposite angles and they are equal. So we can write angle AOD is equal to angle COB. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Now fifth point, side angle. So we can write therefore triangle AOD which is congruent to triangle BOC by AAS test. We can easily say that AO and BO, these two are corresponding sides of these two congruent triangles. So they also will be congruent, that is they are equal by CPC TC. So we can write sixth point as therefore AO is equal to BO. What is the reason? That is CPC TC. So we have proved. 17th question is in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. These two sides are equal and the bisectors of angles B and C intersect at point O. So we can draw bisectors. So these are the bisectors and they intersect at the point O. Now we have to prove that BO, that is equal to CO. We are marking with a different color. So this BO is equal to CO we have to prove. Second point we have to prove this AO bisects angle BAC. Here this AB and AC are given as equal. So we can write the first point as AB is equal to AC. Reason is given. Second point, this implies two sides are equal in a triangle means angles opposite to those two sides also will be equal. That is base angles will be equal here in this case. This implies angle B is equal to angle C, these two. Reason angles opposite to equal sides. Third point, angle B is equal to angle C means angle B by 2, that is equal to angle C by 2. What is the reason? BO bisects angle B and CO bisects angle C. So we can write BO and CO bisects angle B and angle C. Fourth point, now we will take triangle BOC. We can write in triangle BOC. Fifth point, this is B by 2. So angle B by 2 is equal to angle C by 2. So these two angles, this is B by 2 and this is angle C by 2. So these two angles equal means sides opposite to those two angles are also equal. This implies this OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. Reason is sides opposite to equal angles in a triangle. Now seventh point, we can arrange this as BO is equal to CO. That is what we have to prove in the first part of the question. Now comes the second part. For that, let us take two triangles BAO and CAO. I will draw it separately. So I can write eighth point as in triangle BAO and triangle CAO. Now ninth point, what is given in our question? AB is equal to AC. So we can write AB is equal to AC. Reason is given. 10th point, what about this OB and OC in these two triangles? See this, in point 6 we have arrived at OB as equal to OC. So we can write OB is equal to OC. Reason is from point 6. Now 11th point, in both the triangles we have AO, that is common side. This AO common to this triangle and this triangle. So we can write AO is equal to AO. Reason is common side. So here side, side, side. So what we can arrive? We can see that triangle BAO which is congruent to triangle CAO by SSS test. So these two triangles are congruent means all their corresponding sides and angles also will be congruent, that is equal. So angle BAO, that is equal to angle CAO by CPC TC. So we can write angle BAO is equal to angle CAO. Reason is CPC TC. Now what is that meaning? See this figure, BAO is equal to CAO means these two angles are same measurement. So that implies this AO bisects angle BAC. So we can write this implies AO bisects angle BAC. Thus we have proved the second part of the question. Now the 18th question. In the following figure, AB is equal to EF. These two are equal. BC is equal to DE. These two lengths equal. Then angle B is equal to angle E is equal to 90 degree. Then what we have to prove? We have to prove that AD is equal to FC. That we have to prove. Now we can take first point. We are given this BC is equal to DE. So we can write BC is equal to DE. That is given. Second point, this BC plus CD we can take. Then this DE plus CD we can take. So we will get BC plus CD, that is equal to DE plus CD. So that is adding CD on both sides of 2. Now third point, BC plus CD. BC, CD, that is BD. We can write BD. That is equal to DE plus CD, that is CE. Fourth point, triangle AB, D and CFE we can take. So we can write in triangle ABD and triangle CFE. What are the points given there? AB, that is equal to EF given. AB is equal to EF. Reason is given. Sixth point, BD is equal to CE. BD is equal to CE. We got it in third point. That is from 3. Seventh we can write this angle B is given as angle E. Each is 90 degrees. That is given. Eighth point is therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CFE. A reason is SAS test. You have to prove that AD is equal to FC. These two are sides of these two congruent triangles. So those sides also will be congruent, equal by CPC TC. So we can write the ninth point as this implies AD is equal to FC, CPC TC. So this is what we have to prove. Now the 19th question. A point O is taken inside a rhombus ABCD. So this is rhombus ABCD. What is rhombus? In a parallelogram, we know opposite sides are of equal length, but in a rhombus all sides are of equal length and opposite sides are parallel also. So we will take a point O inside the rhombus such that its distance from the vertices B and D are equal. So this diagonal BD, as in the question, we have to take a point O inside the rhombus ABCD such that its distance from the vertices B and D are equal. These two are equal. Show that AOC is a straight line. So I drawn this also. AOC is a straight line that we have to prove. Now take triangle AOD and triangle AOB. So we can write the first point. In triangle AOD and triangle AOB. Second point, AD is equal to AB. Why? Because this is a rhombus. All sides are of equal length. So we can write AD is equal to AB. Reason is sides of rhombus ABCD. Now third point, what about this OA and AO? That is common to both triangles AOD and AOB. So we can write AO is equal to AO. Reason we can write common side. Now we can write fourth point, DO, that is equal to OB. That is given in the question. So DO is equal to OB. That is given. So we got 3 parts as equal. That is 3 sides of these two triangles as congruent, equal. So we can write fifth point as therefore triangle AOD is congruent to triangle AOB by SSS test. Sixth point, these two triangles are congruent means angle AOD and angle AOB are equal. These two angles are equal, corresponding angles. So we can write therefore angle AOD is equal to angle AOB. Reason is CPC TC. Now we can take the other two triangles, that is DOC and BOC. These two. We can write the seventh point as in triangle DOC and triangle BOC. Eighth point, here this DC is equal to CBY because these are sides of this rhombus. All sides are equal. So we can write DC is equal to CB. Reason is sides of rhombus ABCD. Ninth point, this side OC, which is common to both this triangle and this triangle. So we can write OC is equal to OC. Reason is common side. 10th point, these two sides OD and OB, these two are given as equal. So we can write OD is equal to OB given is the reason. Now we got 3 parts as equal, side, side, side. In these two triangles, DOC and BOC. So we can write, therefore, triangle DOC is congruent to triangle BOC by SSS test. So all the corresponding angles and sides of these two congruent triangles also will be congruent, that is equal. So we can say that angle DOC is equal to angle BOC by CPC TC. So we can write, therefore angle DOC is equal to angle BOC. Reason is CPC TC. 13th point, we know if you have a point, angle around that point is 360 degree. So if you consider this as that point, angle around that point O will be 360 degrees. That is angle AOD plus angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD, that is equal to 360 degree. Angle AOD is equal to angle AOB by 6 and angle DOC is equal to angle BOC by 12. So we can apply that here in 13. So we can write 14th point as AOD plus angle AOB is the same as angle AOD. So angle AOD plus here this we can take DOC and COD both are same. So angle DOC plus angle DOC, we can write it like this, 360 degree. That is 2 into angle AOD plus 2 into angle DOC, that is equal to 360 degree. 2 we can take out. So 2 into inside bracket angle AOD plus angle DOC, that is equal to 360 degree. With the 2 we can cancel 360 degree. This is 180 degree. That is angle AOD plus angle DOC is 180 degree. See this angle AOD plus angle DOC is equal to 180 degree. That is, this is the angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line is 180 degree. That means angle AOC is a straight line. Thus we have proved. So we can write 15th point as this implies AOC is a straight line. Angle on a straight line is 180 degree. That is the reason here. So we have proved. Now the 20th question. In quadrilateral ABCD, AD is equal to BC. These two sides are equal and BD is equal to CA. BD and CA are the diagonals of this quadrilateral. They are given as equal. Then what do we have to prove? We have to prove that angle ADB, that is this angle, is equal to angle BCA, this angle. These two angles as equal. Then we have to prove a second one, angle DAB, that is DAB, this angle as equal to angle CBA, this angle. So these two angles as equal. So I have drawn those two triangles separately, triangle ADB and triangle ABC. So in that what is given? AD is equal to BC and BD, this is equal to CA. And we have to prove angle ADB is equal to angle BCA. So we can take these two triangles and we can prove that these two triangles are congruent. Then the corresponding angles we can take. So in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, second point we can write AD is equal to BC, that is given to us. Now third point, TB is equal to AC, that also is given to us. Then AB, that is equal to AB. See the original figure AB, which is common to this triangle and this triangle. There is this AB which is same. So we can write this as common side. Fifth point. In these two triangles, this is side and this is side. So 3 sides of one triangle congruent to 3 sides of the second triangle. Therefore, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ACB by SSS test. Now sixth point, angle ADB, that is equal to angle ACB by CPC TC. So we can write, therefore angle ADB, which is equal to angle ACB by CPC TC. That's the first part of the question we have proved. Now the second part of the question, angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, this angle. As these two triangles are congruent, these two angles are equal, that is corresponding angles are also congruent. So we can write angle DAB as equal to angle CBA. Therefore angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. There also the reason is CPC TC. So we have proved the second part of the question. So thank you very much.